So we're back, and we're gonna be trying to get the engine running, or well, not running, but running properly, because the owner told us that the engine would only run on half choke. If you put it full choke, it doesn't run. If you put it full choke, it doesn't run. If you put it off choke, it doesn't run. Only runs on half choke. And I'm thinking it has something to do with the carburetor adjustments are off. Like we're gonna have to adjust it, maybe drop the bowl. It might be dirty in there. I'm not sure. The fuel might be not getting in there properly. But I guess we're gonna take all this housing off. So I'm going to be taking off the air box first. Oh, I guess there's no air filter. Okay, just set that right there. No air filter. I guess we'll take this piece off right here. I'll just hand doing now. So I got those both off. This just, oh no, there's a screw here. Did not see that. It's bigger than a 10 mil. So I see that there is a screw here. So, or bolt. Bolt on it. Oh, maybe I have to push these forward. Yeah. Oh, it's just Yep, the airbox off. Just get this tube. There we go. Got the airbox off, and we're down to the carburetor. Let me see if I can push this one back in. There we go. So I guess we're next just gonna have to drop the bowl. So now I'm going to be taking off the fuel bowl, carburetor bowl. Get it off. It should be off now. Fuel's gonna start coming out. That's fine. Yeah, it's getting all over my glove. That's a lot of fuel. Alright. Yeah. It was there's a little bit in it. Not much though. Not terrible. But there is definitely a little bit of stuff in there. Dirtiness. Doesn't look too bad. And you can see the jet. It's not clogged yet. Oh. So I guess it's just, I think it would just be adjustment of the idle, is I think what it is. So I've been working on the engine for, it's been a long time, but we can't really get it running that well. Like, it just dies a lot, and there's a screw on the carburetor that is like, I don't know, it's loose, so it's causing it to not run correctly. And then also we figured out the brakes actually they don't really work. Like when you move the brake back and forth, it doesn't really do anything. So I think it really needs a new engine and then a new caliper. So after last video, we tried to start up the engine and it runs, but the carburetor, like something about it is messed up. Like the idle is very high. Like the wheels would just spin so fast, like even faster than that.
when you started it up. We tried adjusting it, nothing worked. So I don't know if you remember, but last time I said that you could get carburetors for this, for like $120 online, a Mikuni OEM carburetor. But it turns out you can buy them online for like 20 bucks, under $20, an aftermarket one. Of course, not by Mikuni, but it fits the Subaru engine. So last night it was too dark to film, but we got it on. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty new looking. But we got on a new carburetor. I think that should fix it, because the engine seems perfectly fine. We ran it. It's actually a newer engine. With the gas and there's no rust, all that stuff. It just got left outside of it. But I think it should run perfectly fine. So we're gonna try to start that up. We're just gonna bolt it onto the bolt it on here. We're not gonna connect the throttle or the chain or anything. We're just gonna see if it idles correctly. But right now, pumping up the tires. We don't have our pump in the truck, so I'm just gonna pump it up with this one. This tire's all pumped up. As you can see, the tires are like extremely dry rotted. So it says 14 PSI, but I'm just gonna pump them up to like about 12 because I don't wanna do too much and then the tires pop, because these are the only tires we have right now. You have to order new ones online. So let me get pumping. So I got the two front tires pumped up, but these are relatively smaller tires. So the back tires are, as you see, pretty big. So I think I'm gonna wait for the electric pump to pump these back ones up, because that took a lot. As you can see, I'm kind of out of breath from doing the first two tires. But I'm just gonna wait for the electric pump to do these back ones. And also, I don't understand why, but these rims, as you can see, there's no like, I don't know what it's called, but like valve you can put the air in. It's on the back, which makes it extremely hard to get one of these around it. Like, it takes a lot to get them right up in there, because there's not that much space. So I guess we're just gonna try to start the engine. Now we'll pump up the rear tires when we get the electric pump out. So I installed the carburetor and tried to start it, but the gaskets are, one of them was ripped. So we tried to look online to see if they sold any replacement gaskets, but the only ones they sold said they take over a month to get here. So we decided to make our own gaskets. We just took the old carburetor and I guess just cut these out to the exact shape that it was supposed to be. I guess we're gonna put it back on and see if it runs correctly. So I just installed the carburetor on it, and I guess now we're gonna see if it runs. There we go. It runs, and I guess the next thing is we just need a new clutch, because as you can see, it was engaging at idle, which isn't good. So gonna need a new clutch and some new brakes, but that's about it.